What is up folks, this is Shady Tech. In this video, I'm going to do the quick fast charging time between POCO X3 and Mi 10T Pro. So both the battery have almost the same capacity at 5000 mAh battery for 10T Pro and 5160 for POCO X3. I respect both of them have a similar charging time as both of them have 33 watts of fast charging capability. Alright, for the first 1 to 2 minutes, 10T Pro for some reason charge super fast as it gets to 16% in no time, like literally in 2 minutes, whereas POCO X3 only get like 5 minutes. But then after the 10 minutes marks, POCO X3 kinda catch up to 21%, whereas 10T Pro is at 28%. And the 20-minute marks, POCO X3 is almost catching up to 10T Pro at 39%, whereas 10T Pro is at 45%. And both of them have like only 6% of difference over here. Then comes to the half-hour marks, POCO X3 once again leading behind at 55% and 10T Pro is at 63%. And again, here is about 8% of difference. And then at 40-minute marks, POCO X3 is at 68% and 10T Pro is at 80%, so there's like a 12% of difference here. Just shy by 10-minute marks at 50 minutes, POCO X3 is at 79% and 10T Pro is at 88%. It's about 11% difference again here. And then at exactly 1 hour, 10T Pro is almost at full charge at 97%, whereas POCO X3 is at 89%. And 10T Pro finally reached 10-minute marks, just a little bit over 1 hour to 7 minutes. And at this point, POCO X3 is at 94%. And for some reason, POCO X3 is at 99% for almost 4 to 5 minutes, as they only reach 100% at 1 hour and 25-minute marks, which is a little bit longer than I expect, but it is what it is. And so that's it. That's my fast charging time test for both POCO X3 and 10T Pro side by side. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped in any way. And see you guys again in the next video. This is Shady Tech signing out.